Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam says that dua is a sort of death. After that, a new life commences or begins. He requests Huzur to throw light on this.
I think everyone knows it from his experience that when he prays to God and the prayer is heard, then he always receives new life in his faith, in his belief in God, and in his spirituality. So that continues to happen all over the world in the case of Ahmadiyyas who do pray sincerely to Allah, and they do get a sort of new life. The second meaning of this is that to accept, to believe that Allah would listen to you, you have to accept a sort of death yourself. Then Allah will revive you by His signs, and you will have a new life. So both these meanings are true.